Hey there foodie, today I'm going to share white sauce pasta recipe. This is extremely easy to make and so tasty. So let's get started with this awesome recipe. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of oil to a heated kadhai or a saucepan. Now add 1 cup of sweet corn. You can also use butter instead of oil. Add salt to taste and saute this for 2 minutes. Once you're done, take it out of the kadhai and keep it aside. Now let's start to make the sauce. Start by adding 1.5 tablespoons of butter, which is at room temperature. Melt it completely. Then we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of Maida or refined flour. Make sure that the amount of Maida or refined flour is equal to the amount of butter you used. Now stir and mix these two together and make this into a frothy mixture. When you see that the butter is boiling and the mixture is turning into a light yellow color, start adding milk. Make sure the milk is also at room temperature. Whisk to avoid lumps. Make sure that your sauce is thick but smooth and there are no lumps. Now we are going to add my favorite, cheese. I'm adding 2 cheese slices. You can also use shredded cheese. Whisk to make sure that the cheese is completely melted. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of oregano powder and 1 tablespoon of chilli flakes. Now mix this together. Then add the sweet corn that we did in the very beginning. Now we are going to boil our pasta. So add 3 cups of water and 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 4 cups of pasta, which serves around 4 people. Add another 2 cups of water and cover this with the lid to boil. When the pasta is half boiled, add salt according to your taste. Our pasta is ready to strain. Rinse the pasta with some cold water to avoid stickiness. Now add 70% of the sauce into a hot kadhai and keep aside the rest for later, and I'll tell you why. Add the pasta into the sauce and mix this two together. Add 1 cup of water if you think the sauce is too thick, and then add rest of the sauce. Combine this well at low flame and wait for 2 minutes so that the pasta soaks the sauce and becomes creamy. Now the white sauce pasta is ready. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe and check out my Instagram for more such amazing, easy and quick recipes that you can do at home. Till then, take care and stay positive and safe.